In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix Studio to GitHub. This is a crucial step for developers who want to streamline their workflow and ensure their code is safely stored and easily accessible. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to integrate these two powerful platforms seamlessly. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and have access to Wix Studio. Once you're in Wix Studio, you're going to want to look for an option labeled Code Shan. Think of this as your gateway to a more versatile and powerful coding environment within Wix. Click on the Code button, which will direct you to the coding interface. After clicking Code, the next step is to initiate the coding process within Wix Studio by selecting Start Coding. This option sets up the environment for you to work in and is essential for enabling the future steps we'll cover. Once you click on Start Coding, your workspace in Wix Studio will be ready for your project integrations. Now, to bring GitHub into the mix, you will need to locate and select the GitHub option on the screen. Clicking GitHub prompts Wix Studio to begin the process of linking your project with GitHub. This is where all your code will be synced, stored, and managed, allowing you to take full advantage of version control and collaboration features GitHub offers. Once you've clicked on GitHub, you'll see a prompt inviting you to continue with the integration process. Go ahead and click Continue. This step is crucial as it confirms your request to link GitHub with Wix Studio. Following this, you'll need to log in to your GitHub account. Click Sign In and enter your GitHub credentials. This will designate Wix Studio as an authorized application, allowing it to interact directly with your GitHub repositories. For an uninterrupted connection, ensure your login details are correct and that you are comfortable granting Wix the permissions it requests. With these steps completed, you've successfully connected Wix Studio to GitHub. This connection allows for a streamlined workflow where all of your coding changes are automatically recorded and synchronized, providing both security for your data and the ability to collaborate efficiently with other developers. And there you have it. Linking Wix Studio and GitHub can significantly enhance your development projects by combining the power of Wix's design features with GitHub's robust version control capabilities. Thank you for watching, and make sure to keep this guide handy for future reference. Happy coding!